Let me say something most people never tell tired women. You are not lazy. You are not unmotivated. You are not failing at life. You are burned out. And there's a big difference. If you've been wondering why you can't push like you used to, why simple things feel heavy, why rest never seems to be enough, this video is for you. Welcome to Dream Life Diaries, a quiet space for women rebuilding after burnout, life transitions, and emotional exhaustion, with faith, gentleness, and intention. Here, we don't rush healing. We don't shame tiredness. We rebuild slowly and stronger. Burnout isn't just being tired. It's when your nervous system has been in survival mode for too long. It's when your body says, I can't keep living like this. Burnout happens when you've been strong for years without rest. When you've carried responsibility quietly. When you've been the one everyone relies on. Burnout is not weakness. It is your body asking for care. Sleep helps tiredness. But burnout needs safety, slowness, and healing. That's why you rest, but still feel exhausted. You pause, but still feel heavy. You try to motivate yourself, but nothing moves. Because burnout is deeper than energy. It lives in your emotions, your stress, your nervous system, your heart. Many women say, I should be grateful. I should be stronger. I shouldn't feel this tired. But guilt only deepens burnout. You were never meant to carry everything alone. Even God designed rest. Not because we're weak, but because we are human. Rest is not quitting. Rest is restoring. Sometimes God doesn't push you forward. Sometimes He gently lays you down to heal. Healing doesn't look dramatic. It looks like saying no without guilt, slowing your pace, choosing peace over pressure, letting your nervous system breathe again, trusting that rest is productive. Healing looks quiet, and quiet healing is powerful. If your life slowed down, it didn't break. It's healing. It protected you. This season isn't punishment. It's restoration. If this message speaks to your heart, subscribe to Dream Life Diaries for calm encouragement for women healing, rebuilding, and becoming stronger gently. Watch more videos here on the channel. They're created to walk with you through this season, not rush you through it. And share this with a woman who needs permission to rest today. You are not lazy. You are healing. And this is how gentle rebuilding begins.